Order filled. Order filled.
Man, I didn't know I was muted. I don't know why it switched on me. Alright, we're good. Sorry. Taking a trade. I didn't plan on trading, but looking at the 4 hour, it looks pretty good to the downside. And let me just show you. Based on my trading, the way I do things, this is a sell opportunity. $10, $20, $30 points, almost 40. Let's see. 804 to 766. Yeah, 40 points. So it looks good to the downside for a little while anyway. Scalp $100 or something maybe. We'll see. How well did you do today, Cave? I asked that earlier, but I guess I was muted. Who else we got in the chat? Say hey. I got my payout on Tradeify today. Took a little longer than normal, but I got it. Still faster than everyone else. It was a mild green day. Cool. What I was saying earlier too was I took a payout. I don't know if I was muted or not when I said I took a payout on Apex because I wanted to start my next 8 days trading because I knew I was going to get denied because of the 30% rule. But that's okay. I've got like 5 funded accounts that I am about to activate. Keep on taking these payouts. So a little update. I've switched back to VWAP trading. It wasn't working for me when the market volatility was real crazy, so I started looking for other ways to trade, and now I'm back VWAP trading. Nothing crazy, just 150 on Apex and 250 on Tradeify. Hey man, that's what I get every day, each account. What are you talking about? That's a good day. It's a real good day. 150 to $300, sometimes 5. It's perfect, man. Perfect. How much did I make today? I think it was like 2,000. Let's see. I can't remember. I got 2 Tradeify payouts today. Alright. See, I mean, that's what I made. $300 across each account. Usually I'm in the $150 to $200 range, so it's not a bad day, man. Look, 150, 170, $200. Like, I'm not making a killing, you know. That was Apex. See, these are all funded. And then if you look at my Tradeify now, let me just log in. I have a backup funded account right now. I've never actually done this. I was hoping it would be okay, but it is apparently, so we'll see. I need this to shrink up a little bit. I did hit daily loss limit on one account today, trying something different, but that's this here. Yesterday I hit my daily loss on one of these accounts. I think it was this one, maybe. Yeah, this one. This one yesterday and this one today. So I'm limiting it to one account each time, which is good. But I can take a payout on this account and then I can activate this one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fundeds, one backup. I might buy a few more and have a few more backups, which is really cool. My best days are over 2K. Haven't had those days in a while. Yeah, that's a good number if you have lots of accounts like that. I only have one. I only have two, so I do my best to get over 2K if the market give it to me. Get you some more, man. Get you some more. But yeah, I took that payout on this account. I think it was this one. No, it was this one. So I started over. And yeah, journal. We're up like 5K for the week, minus the funded. It says 214. I did like 1700. Here, I'll take this. I think it was. Hang on. 2780. I did like 1700 today on all my accounts together, but I did lose 1200, so technically I only made 214 for the day, but I will get it back. It's okay. But without that loser account, we did 1.6. So we've mostly been green every day, and everything looks good. Overall, yesterday I was down 389 because of this, which account? It was 2253. So if I take this one off, this becomes green. We made $1,000 on Tradeify. They got 90% off and $85 activation fee. Yeah, I know. I'm about to activate 5 new funded accounts on Apex. And tomorrow I'm probably going to trade another 5. I want to get to like 20 Apex accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. But yeah, anyway. We're up like $5,000 for the week, I think. No, overall, total profits, net P&L. Profit factor needs to go up another 0.5, and I'd like for it to be at 2. Win-loss is still okay with my trade win percentage. So I've learned that holding longer is good for me. And another thing that's crazy that I never thought I would do, I'm trading with Tradeivate, of all things, man. Tradeivate. Tradeivate is actually pretty cool. I like the quick action. Love the quick action. We're up $70 so far while I was talking. Trying to get to about 100. I'm going to go ahead and move this into the green. And I'm going to go ahead and
Order
close
filled.
this one. Micro. There's our $100 right there, boys. Woo! Where did we get in this trade at? Still going down. Still going down. We're doing it live and it's night trading. I never make money at night. I always regret trading at night. Always. All right, $150. Come on, Nasdaq, keep ripping. 100. Come
Stop
on.
filled.
Yeah, so it went up pretty heavy against us for a minute. Let's see how many points. So that was 747 to 751. Not many points, but yeah, it's still going down too. Awesome. Good way to start the day. We're at 53,505 on this account. Let me just pull it up. 53,505. Oh, I guess you could see that on the thing anyway, couldn't you? Right here. Shows how much I know about. All right, where is my YouTube? We just got back from gymnastics. So my kids are a little riled up. Ball trades, poop emoji. What's that for, man? About to stop me out on this long. Why'd you take a long there, man? Did you not see the 4-hour chart? Look at this. The 4-hour chart. VWAP. Why is it not showing VWAP? Oh, I'm not even looking at the 4-hour the chart properly. Oh, that looks bad. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, I just got stopped on this long. You faded me, man. Why'd you do that? All right, VWAP. Why is it showing the EMA like that? All right, this is all sorts of messed up. I don't even know what half this stuff is. There we go. I don't like the way VWAP is showing. All my stuff is messed up right now. This is the 21. We're going to go with white and thick. Wait. I don't ever get on TradingView anymore. Green. But yeah, you can see it's rejecting here. Okay, I'm short now. I hope you're right, John. No kidding. It's part of my system. I hope you're good on the short too, man. It looks like it's gonna keep going down. I think it might, but I don't know. So one thing I want to point out, if you trade on Tradeovate, go to cancel all and hit it ever so often, because man, you leave like a buy sell limit, man, it clicks it, it takes it away. Man, I hit some bad trade. I hit my daily loss limit because of that. No bueno. Anyway, let's switch over to Tradeify. Maybe we can get a little trade action on Tradeify. Is it ready? Okay, coming. All right, I'm gonna go eat dinner with my family for a minute, and I'll be right back. I want to short this, but I'm not gonna do it without doing MEQ. Which account? 302.
Order filled.
Sell one, put a stop here, and take profit here. And we shall see. Market is choppy, huh? I'm gonna switch down to the 1 minute time frame. It's definitely looking very bearish, cave. But then again, the 1 minute looks like a little bull flag. Let's check out the 5 just a moment. Where's my take? Okay. I don't know. I think it's gonna hit up to VWAP and then probably reject. But so I'm gonna put my stop at the highs here. How many points is that? 39, 40, 50, 20 points. Yeah, I can risk the high. I'll be right back though. Send a bunch of messages if it's going down. Man, we striking it rich over here. $7. Wow. What was the point of sell-off? I don't know, man. No clue. I think I'm about to get out.
Order filled.
Yeah, $10. $8.10 after fees. Anyway, back to minis. Could start coming up from here. I would look for it to start bouncing. Let me just check higher time frame. Maybe not. $30 still looks bearish. 1 hour is bearish. And the 4 hours definitely bearish. What's up, Nils? Long time no see. I haven't been on live in all week this week. We've been so busy. We're moving. Got a new house. Food in my teeth. And I've been getting up super early because I have to work. It's my busy season. So for the next 60 days, probably be real busy. Can't do much. That's because you are always streaming in my time zone after 3 a.m. Haha. By the way, Apex is 90% off till Tuesday. Yeah, plus $85 activation fees. Amazing. I'm pretty happy about it. Make sure you guys use code JSDT. Apex 90% off. I guess I need to update this picture here, huh? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. I know I have a 90% off code here. Where is it? Oh yeah, risk disclaimer. Trading is hard and results aren't typical. Could make this amount of money, but it's not likely. Anyway, I just had to get that out of the way. 80%, 75, 71. Where's the 90? Let me just look at this real quick. There it is. Got her. I'm in a 1 week right now. Small week. What do you mean small, like in profits, or small? Elaborate a little bit, sir. It's taco night at my house. Oh, you're in a small loss right now. Okay, gotcha. I'm sorry to hear, man. I took a payout today on Tradify, and I secured about $2,000 total funded today. I've been doing about 1,000 to 1,500 a day, every day, give or take, between funded accounts. I have 15 funded currently. My goal is to have 30 next week. I'm actually gonna reset 5 take profit trader accounts, and then just trade them like I do. Take profit trader is like it's like the worst for me because I get in that gambling mentality because it's daily payouts and I want to hurry up and get there. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna use caution whenever I trade my take profit traders. I'm gonna try to get to the buffer quickly, but I'm gonna move my stops as we go, if that makes sense. So I'll trail my stop up if we're going up, down if we're going down, obviously. But I'm really gonna try to get it quick, within reason. Let's go back down to the 5-minute here. A little order block consolidation right here. So, big candles too. Market doesn't know which way it wants to go. In my opinion, this is a no trade zone. We are at the low of day, so a nice candle to the downside would be a long for me. I'm liking trading reversals and VWAP. Negative 2,000 or 2.54 in the week. Ouch, man. What am I up for the week? Where's the journal at? Well, can't even pull it up. Here's my journal. My nose, man. Hoping for good setups today. I hope so for you too, man. This isn't showing all of my accounts, but we're up 4,000 total, including all of my losses. But we're up like $5,000. $5,000 total between accounts. It doesn't tell you the percentage up though. I don't like that. I did take some big losses though initially. Killed me. Last week up like 6 to 7%. Hey man, not every week's gonna be good. I have losses. And I have good days and bad days. One of my accounts hit the daily loss limit, or this would be at $2,000. Same for this. This would be up how much? Can't remember. $900. $1,600 today. Nasdaq was this week's rally really choppy. See, I thrive in the choppier things, trades, man. I don't know why, I just do. My cumulative P&L looks pretty good, except for today and yesterday's loss. Ugh. Drawdown. I haven't been in much drawdown, but whew, I try to cut my losers quick. I don't want to sit there with them. Not interested. Let's get the chart back up. And I need this tab. Slow price action after the open the whole week, but took Monday. Price action was pretty good today after the open. I don't trade the open. Sometimes I'll take that little gamble, but most of the time I don't. It's too much. It's too fast. Volatility is too high. Who this?
You're warm.
It's pretty cold in this house, isn't it?
Yeah, you're warm though. Am I cold?
I can take a payout on Tradeify, and I have a backup. Nils, go. Please go. Got a backup funded account.
Subscribe.
Got a backup funded account. I can take another payout. I took a payout already right here. So things are looking pretty good for these accounts. I gotta get them a little bit. Gotta get them going a little more. Where is my tab? That's one. What's up, honey?
Just couldn't stay away.
Stay away what?
I couldn't stay away.
From what?
You.
Oh, from me? I made a whole $8.10 on this account.
$8.10.
Yeah, what are you gonna do with that?
I don't know. Starbucks.
Starbucks. I don't think you can get Starbucks with $8 anymore, can you?
Maybe a donut, or not a donut. That's Dunkin' Donuts.
I made 157 on
Danish.
this one. Start the day off tomorrow pretty good. A Danish. Danish does sound good. I had one of those today. A blueberry cream cheese Danish. Your nose is like.
It's because I'm pregnant. I can't breathe.
That ain't because you're pregnant.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. It's right in my ear.
Y'all don't judge my shirt. Christmas came early. All this cold weather made me bring out my Christmas shirt.
It ain't cold weather. It's just a little cooler. It does get down to the 50s here lately. I'm up in August anyway, 7%. Nice, man. 7.5. I don't know what I'm up on percentage-wise, but I guess I remember seeing a way to look, but I don't want to look at each individual account. Like, this is 1 point, for the day or since payout. But I don't know, man. It doesn't make sense. I guess I could get on TradeZilla and look, but I don't really feel like it. These are all passed. I just got to pay for them. What happened? I don't know if I showed y'all this or not, but these are all passed. I got to pay for them. I blew up several. Thanks, man. Cave. I blew up several PA accounts, man. Not really caring too much, but because it's Apex and they're cheap, but the these are ready to go. I got one 150K and 1, 2, 3 50Ks ready to run. Y'all a cute couple. You made me laugh. Did you hear her nose? She's silly, man. She's my entire world, though. Her and my girls. FTMO is coming back to us now. Thanks, bro. Yeah, she was in my ear doing this. Stop. I'm a little sniffly too. Thanks, bro. FTMO, that's a prop firm, isn't it? What do you mean coming back to us? Were they gone? Oh, coming back to US. Gotcha. I didn't know they weren't in the US. I've never traded FTMO. Tay-Day, how you doing? I always think it's a successful live stream as long as, you know, several of the regulars come in. I don't care about the rest until they become regulars. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna have 30 accounts. There's no doubt about it. I'm trading so good and I'm following my rules. Sometimes I make the mistake here and there, doing some stupid stuff or not paying complete attention, but yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna have it. It's gonna work out. I'm really building myself back to where I started the year at. Not so good, man. Lost my funded account this week. That sucks, bro. 30 accounts. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. Gotta do it.
Smell good?
Huh?
Smell good?
Oh, go brush them again. Yeah.
Taste it.
Yeah, but I smell your breath. So you still need to brush them again.
What about now?
Kylie, don't.
I love you.
I love you.
My lips are so pretty and
They're so what?
they're pretty and red.
Yeah. Everybody's lips are red.
I'm trying to get in the video. We went to trading.
Yeah, don't be so loud, okay? Sometimes people wear headphones and when they're listening.
Get loud.
You got a whole 10 people watching you right now.
A what?
A whole 10 people
What do you mean?
watching.
10 people are watching? Where does it say it?
They remember Haley though because she did a live trade, or not a live trade, did a video with a trade. Got birthday money.
Yee, birthday money. Now I'm 7. I'm 10. Okay.
Anyway, it looks like it still wants to come down, guys. Not really sure, but if I was a betting man, and I am, Cave Trader waved at y'all. I believe we're coming down for another low opportunity here. New lower low. Not a lower low, but a low day. Looks like it. Kylie needs to brush her teeth again. And it's time for bed.
So I need to go sleep now.
Yep, it's time for bed, honey. What time is it actually? Sorry. 8:45. Whoa. Yeah, go to bed. Good night.
Good night.
I didn't realize what time it was.
By the way, let me kiss you on the cheek.
All right.
Good night.
Love you. Blessings to you and your family. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. They're amazing. As long as we get past the 730s, we could go down lower. Obviously, I know that kind of sounds generic, but if we don't, if we don't get any lower, make a new low, it could reverse. Get a new green candle up here, and it kind of gets above the 740s. Up into the 742, 745. I feel like we might either bounce or go through. And if we close through, I'm going long. If we bounce, I'm going short again. Good night, caveman. Oh, yeah, you're not going. They going. I got you. A little bit of a delay. Just to let you know, you got a big delay on your stream today. Oh, no. It doesn't show any delays for me over here. Hello, what's the white line? The white line is, it's actually like a icy blue line. It is VWAP. VWAP, VWAP, VWAP. So, trading funded, I trade VWAP. So, price breaks through VWAP, I'm going long. Price rejects it VWAP, I'm going short. And I'm only looking for 10 points. Sometimes more, sometimes less. I don't notice a delay. Yeah, they going. If you go to the video, let me just pull it up 1 second. This is gonna look really weird, I think. One moment. So if you go to the video, man, hover over it and see if it's got like the delay here, because if you slide this over, you'll be back to normal. And then you can also go to settings and playback speed and choose 1.25 or 1.5. Quality HD, homie. That should help. If not, sorry, man. Like 30 seconds. All right, price is currently at 732. I really want to see it drop so I can take a quick trade. I need to change my account here. Which one?
Order
I
filled.
think we're going for new low of day. So I'm going to take that risk, but my stop's not going to be, it's going to be a tight stop. You're on time. Sorry, man, I'm not sure, bro. I got to build this buffer back up. I took a daily loss limit today on this account. Oh, killed me. Today I passed like 4 new Apex accounts, and then I was still working, and I forgot about it. Didn't close it. I saw it pass, but I was talking to a client like always. I looked over and it was passed, and then I looked back again, got back in the vehicle, and it was still, the trade was good. It was just drawdown. Once you get up there, it went against me like not much at all. Drawdown got me. Ugh. Drawdown sucks. So I would have had 20 funded accounts today, extra, or total 20. You want to hear something funny? When I'm at work, they want to be great. When I'm at work, they want to be great. Elaborate. But yeah, I passed like 4 or 5. I can't remember how many I bought. I bought several. They don't show now, but because they're gone. But yeah, I passed them. I saw they were all at the same time, same trade. And then I went back, and the price didn't go back much. But it didn't take much for the drawdown to kick in, so really sucked. I'd like to make another $150 on this trade here. Where's my mouse? Come on, Nasdaq, keep going lower. So we made a new low. I would like to stay into the 726 range here, but I'm not gonna take a target. I'm gonna lower my stop as price comes down. I'll get rid of that. All right, currently up 30 bucks. Once we hit 50, I'll take it to break even. This is what I do during the day. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to break even just because we're gonna go lower. But yeah, this is exactly how I trade. I manage risk, and I don't risk a lot usually. The only time I ever lose a more than I anticipate is because I'm distracted. The people at my job want to be great on the job. I want to be great at trading. I got you. You should be great at everything though. You need your job. You know what I mean? You can be great at trading. I have faith in you. All right, we're gonna take $10. Excuse me. Sorry, $20. Is this the 50K? Oh, I forgot about the point. Ugh. Or the fees. If it goes up any negative, it's going to stop us out. We're literally on price.
Stop filled.
All right. $10. Boo. Niels Kaufman on the first SEP exchanges is closed in US, right? On the 1st September exchanges. I think so. I'm not sure, man. On the VWAP, what is the opacity and shift settings? Also, are you on the 5-minute? I am on the 5-minute, yes. And VWAP, I just have standard VWAP. I don't have anything crazy. I'm waiting for us to clear 23.729. So yeah, these are my settings. I just have it stock. But earlier we had this is to you, Corey. The reason why I got into the trade is because I wanted to see a new low of day, and I got in the trade a little early thinking we will, and we did. I feel like we'll go a little lower now. We don't have to, obviously. It still could be, it's still kind of wicking on both sides, on the bottom here, so it could come up and test VWAP again, but I was thinking we might actually go a little lower. I don't mind a small little quick win just to see how it goes, but anyway, I like the wicks. The 1 hour is currently looking like she wants to rip down some more. I would guess to the 360, about 100 points, just under. Maybe not quite that much, but 700s maybe. I don't know. But if it does, I am going to... I can't set a trade. I don't have any evals. Literally all my accounts are funded. Lisa Pinton, thank you. No problem. Just a standard VWAP. You don't have to change anything. I don't change the anchor settings or anything like that. I just keep it like it is, and I trade VWAP. And you get results like these. Results. If you go to my post section on my YouTube channel, you can see my results. Why is that so big? Ouch. Alright, we got a payout on Tradify there. Got 2 payouts on Tradify today. Here's my... These are all funded except for this, I believe. I don't know what this is, to be honest with you. Let's open it up and see. That was my extra account on Tradify. But usually around $300 per account per day. Just under, just over. Passing accounts, all these Buell Knox. I got it switched over to, what's it called? Top Step X. Here's another day, the day before. I post these literally every day, so you can follow along, see my results every day. Here's my results there. Yeah, we do good. Make money, honey. I share my results. I share the good, the bad, the ugly, which isn't much ugly lately. I haven't had much ugly in like, jeez, a couple months. That's times 5 or 4, by the way. Can't really show them all. They don't, I don't know. Anyway, all these, there's more. This is trading VWAP. My first Top Step account got a payout on it. And you can't see these because they're so big. Even the small days like this right here wasn't a lot, you know? Why is that so... Anyway, I'm done showing off. I hate showing off. Would like to follow you. How often are you live and when? I haven't been live all week, actually. I've been busy. We're moving. Just closed on a house. Closed yesterday. And moving in on the 1st. Corey McCardle was down 650, currently in profit on the day now. Heck yeah, man. Prior gas. Oh, I don't want to read that. Short all the way from 23,800, but I just pulled out 23,800. Whoa. Nice. That is, I don't know how many points. I don't know when you pulled out. Probably the 40s or the 30s. Somewhere in the 30s, low 40s. Heck yeah, man. 30 or 40 points. It's good on the Nasdaq. One thing I like to tell people too is Nasdaq just moves, you know, a small range every day, right? This is a higher time frame, but if you go down to the 5-minute, typically it only moves 30, 50 points, if that. So this is like, let's see, 750s. We're not even in 700. So I mean, if you think 30-point moves, start thinking about reversal, because, and that's how I think about it. If you look right here, here's the last one, 766 to 733. It's only 30 points before it decides to change direction, right? So that's why I like trendy day or rangy days, because they work, man. They work for my trading style. And then today was just wild. I've been trading the orb, the opening range break, and so here's the let me go to the 15. I'll show you. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. So when you just draw a line like this, I actually do a box myself, but anyway, draw that, copy and paste it. Well, that didn't work. I'm still new to Trade-O-Vate. Oops. This was the first 15 minutes when it started rejecting. I didn't trade for a little bit, but I wanted to see when this candle retraced a little over half. I jumped in short and then took a little few points on several different accounts. But when we saw this wick on the 15-minute, I was pretty sure we're coming up, so I took it. That's 10, 20, 30, 40 point wick. I trade wicks. So the short here, I was a little nervous because it was still, the first 30 minutes is super volatile, so I'm always nervous about taking a position. But when we rejected here, even though there's not a long wick, I was interested in a long because it let me just pull up the 5-minute. So this is the movement on the 5-minute, right? You got to keep the higher time frame, watch it as well. But you know, when we start rejecting like this right here, it looks like it wants to come up because of this. These are rejection. This is classic reversal candles, and I look for these in my trades. But once we got through VWAP, I'm long, especially one big huge candle to the upside. I'm long. Price is probably gonna stay in VWAP. If it doesn't, it's gonna retest it, so my stop is gonna be lower than VWAP. And then if it hits VWAP again, I'm sizing up, putting more in, depending on what kind of account I'm trading. But that is my strategy in a nutshell. I look for these. I mean, this is like a break, retest, and then boom. And then obviously it could keep going up. It doesn't have to stop there. But once you see that wick right here on the high of the first 15, the orb, it's time to short. And again, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20 points, I would probably move your stop into the money every 5 points. That's what I do. Especially in the mornings, I'm typically moving my stop into the money 5 points. When price is early on, I let it do its thing. I might set it to break even pretty quickly. The goal is to set the break even. So once we hit that $50 mark, I'm break even no matter what. So break evens are good. They don't lose. You might lose a little bit of money, you know, $2-3 or whatever it is on the fee to place a trade. Sometimes I'm putting the break even just above the line to help with that cost, but yeah, so it's an actual break even or maybe a $2 profit, or you know, whatever it is. 1 point above, or you know, whatever. But yeah, if the trade is going to go in your favor, it can still go in your favor. You can get back in. It's okay if you break even. You can always get back in. Just, you don't want to lose any money. Sometimes I let it go against me because most trades start out against you, right? 20, 30, $100. My limit's like $350 to $500. I'll let a trade go against me and cut off. But as soon as I can get in that break even, then I'm gonna. But yeah, that's how I trade. That's what I do. Came down for VWAP again here. It didn't quite make it. I didn't trade anything right here. I don't know what I traded, to be honest with you. I can't really see. Where are we at? This account. Why doesn't it show my trades? I know we're a little down on this account, but I don't know. Here, let's pull up another one. Does it not show your trades? I'm new to Trade-O-Vate. I don't trade Trade-O-Vate. I do now, but I haven't been. Anyway, it's not showing my trades, but that's okay. I do plan to start trading morning session in the mornings, probably around 8:30 my time every day whenever my season ends. So you get to see my strategy in action over the winter, which will be cool. People keep asking me to share what I'm doing. Seems to be pretty consistent. Lisa Penton, congrats. Anyway, I think I'm gonna hop off here. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. Just so you know, this is Tradeovate, right? Make sure you go through each account and hit cancel all because man, it'll get you. I'm telling you, it'll get you. It gets me. I'm superstitious now, so I go through here and make sure that I'm not screwing up somehow. Leaving a bracket on. Man, I'm super tired. PA 11. Come on. See, got to. Oh, that might have been a movement. I thought that was like a bracket, but. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Later, bro. Nice job on the payouts. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. I feel like a bad person for sharing stuff like that. I don't know why. Can you pass Apex in a day? Oh, yeah. Apex, Tradeify, Buell Knox, Funding Ticks. I don't remember. Daytraders.com. Lucid. I can't remember all of them. There's so many. But anyway, and how long does it take to get a cash out? You can get a payout in 8 days. Here, let me pull up my Apex account. I've been trading this account for, excuse me, 17 days. And I requested a payout on, hang on, 26th, I believe. Yeah, so the 26th of August, I requested $500. Wasn't trying to request much, just wanted a little bit out of it. And what's up, Paul? Anyway, I knew it was gonna get denied, so I went ahead and did it anyway, so I can trade the next 8 days and take out probably $2,000 or $3,000. $2,000 actually. $2,000. This is the first payout on this account, so it will be a $2,000 payout. Making sure there is no rules against me full porting and passing. Oh no, passing the account, full porting is all good. But when you get to the eval or get to the funded, the PA, make sure you read the rules because what's up with my camera? Make sure you read the rules because Apex is really not for newbie traders. To be honest with you, if you get a payout on Apex, then you've been trading for a little while. Hope you had a good day, Paul. Yeah, Apex is not for newbies. It is if you want a cheap eval to blow up, practice with when they have their 90% off. But right now is a good time. Make sure you use my code, JSDT. And thank you to whoever keeps buying accounts. I appreciate you supporting my family and my community here. Somebody just bought like 20 accounts on Apex. I use Tradeify usually. Gotcha. I like Tradeify, man. Where's my Tradeify? I don't know if you were here when I showed it off. Well, I'm not doing too bad right now. I've got, let's see, 6 accounts currently funded. I just have 1 on backup. So this one's in drawdown. I hit my DLL, daily loss limit. Here's my backup funded account. Here's one I can take a payout. Here's the one I took a payout today on this one. I can take one on this one, but I'm not. I want to get it. I want to keep at least $1,000 in drawdown, so I'll wait till we can do that. But yeah, wait, I didn't take a payout on this one. It was this one. This one. 9157. Yeah, so I still have 1,195 available in drawdown, which is not bad. But if I go take a payout on the other one, view details, I'll have $749, and I don't like that. It messes with my head. Yeah, that's looking good, but yeah, that's me too. Gotta hold some. I didn't even mean to take this other payout. I was just I don't even remember what happened, but I didn't mean to take the other payout on this account. Their system was glitching, and I was trying to figure something out. But anyway, I took it. Didn't mean to. I was gonna hold it, and the reason why I like Apex too is because you have to have $2,600 to take a payout, right? And this account is my PA account right here. We're at 53,505. When I requested the payout, I was at 52,600. But the reason why I did it is because I wanted to get through that 30% rule that they have, and I wanted to make sure my next 8 days I can take a payout. But I like Apex because you got a lot of drawdown. Take the first payout, make it $500 or whatever, just to kind of get your money back. This account is free essentially. Anything you make is all extra. The account's like what, $145 for the activation if you pass, and then the eval is like $20-$30 depending on when you buy it. But so you're not much in, but take a $500 payout, you're in the profit on the account, and then the rest is all 100% profit. So I'll take a payout another 8 days, probably 5 more days actually now. 6 more days, and it'll be much higher payout, $2,000. All right, guys, I'm getting off here. I'm going to bed. I have to get up in the morning, and long day at work. Paul, congrats on the payout. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Paul, I did. Thanks, John. How about you? It was a great day, sir. But yeah, Corey, I love Tradeify, man. Tradeify is awesome. Their payouts are super fast. Like I got my payout. It was longer than normal, but I requested it today and got it today. New subscriber, Flavia Mendana. Thank you for subscribing. So yeah, I like Tradeify. They're probably the fastest when it comes to payouts. So not as fast as they were when they were using their old system though, right? Anyway, I hope you guys have a good